Well, here is a great little security camera. This particular camera, what I really like about it is, first off, the pairing and downloading the app, very simple. And once that's done, there's lots of features. We'll get to that. But I think the biggest thing that I like about this is there's no wiring involved. This is completely solar. This is the solar panel. And this just attaches to the bottom here is your power. So this will plug in to the bottom, and then you would mount this in a location where obviously it's going to get some sun, and you'll never have to plug it in or anything ever again because it's solar powered. Love it. Now, the device itself, this is the mounting bracket. Comes with screws, and you could also charge it with a USB, same port that the solar panel uses. So I do have it installed. So I think what we'll do is just kind of flip it over to the app, and we'll see kind of the view from there. Well, all right. Well, now you're looking and listening to me by the camera. And this is what the app looks like. So in the app, what you could do is there is a camera feature. So I could press the camera, and did you notice it says photo saved to album? So, this camera, you can be mounted outside, and if you see somebody come, you can take a picture. Likewise, there is also that recording button. If you hit that, it will begin to record. Nice feature. Something else you'll see right in the middle is that microphone. I could press that microphone and talk, and the camera actually has a microphone, so you could speak to somebody outside from inside your home, which is very nice. If somebody were to come to your door, you could, talk through this camera. Let's see if there's some other features. You could store, there's an SD card on this. So you could store it on the SD card, or you could store the footage on the cloud. So a couple different options. Now, there is some other, I just want to show you. There's lots of settings here. So there's activity detection, medium, low, high. I like to set that at low. And what that is if somebody passes within range or anything, an animal, the camera goes on. So that's the sensitivity. And this thing also has a light, so it'll shoot at nighttime in darkness. So pretty neat. Let me just show you. I'll turn on the light right now. Let's see if you can tell. See? Oh yeah. Very bright. Bright in the eyes. So we'll turn that off. But yeah, like I said, very simple to download and pair the camera with this, with your phone. So simple setup, and then you could place the camera, anywhere like I mentioned with that has sun, so it remains charged, and it is weatherproof, waterproof. So that's also great too. But yeah, great little camera.